हॅलो विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण टी व्ही रिसिव्हरमध्ये फ्रंट पॅनल ऑफ टी व्ही रिमोट कंट्रोल हे पाहूया. तर फ्रंट पॅनलचे डायग्राम तुमच्यासमोर दिलेले आहे. तर फ्रंट पॅनल ऑफ रिमोट कंट्रोल हॅज 12 buttons फॉर ए चॅनल सिलेक्शन including one for VCR connection. There are also volume, picture and color buttons. In addition, it has a power button, sound, mute button and normal level buttons. Remote control operate with a 1.5 volt small cells, 2 cells. Since transmissions to TV receivers is by infrared waves, it is somewhat directional. The surface level as such should point toward the receiver. The range of useful operation is around 7 meter within the radio of a 30-degree from remote control receiver on control panel of TV सेट. तर टी व्हीसाठी वापरात येणारा रिमोट कंट्रोलच्या फ्रंट भागावर हे 12 बटन चॅनल्स असतात. त्याच्यासाठी चॅनल निवडण्यासाठी वापरतात. त्यात व्हीसीआर चॅनलचा समावेश असतो. अनेक बटन जसे व्हॉल्यूम, कलर सेटिंग, साऊंड मूट, पॉवर बटन, चॅनल स्कॅन बटन इत्यादी बटन्स असतात. यासाठी 1.5 व्होल्टचे 4 किंवा 2 सेल रिमोट कंट्रोलच्या कार्यासाठी लागतात. टी व्ही ग्राहीसाठी किंवा रिसिव्हरसाठी प्रसारण हा इन्फ्रारेड तरंग असून तो सरळ मार्गाचा असतो. धारक व टी व्हीमधील अंतर 10 ते 15 मीटर असते. त्याच्यानंतर आहे remote control transmitter. Simplified. Before that, we will see the video signals. व्हिडिओ सिग्नल. टी व्ही पद्धत ही एखाद्या दृश्याची पूर्ण माहिती समाविष्ट करतो जी त्याच्या उपयोगात असते, तरी त्यात काही बाकी असते. या पद्धतीची रचना करताना ती विचारात घेणे पत असते. हे समजून घेण्यासाठी काही गुणधर्माचा अभ्यास करणे आवश्यक असते, ज्यामुळे योग्य प्रसारण व ग्रहण होऊ शकते. म्हणजेच टेलिव्हिजन सिस्टम should be capable of preserving all the details of scene that they are capable of utilizing. However, there are certain limitations which have to be kept in mind while attempting to design such a system. To understand this, it is desirable to study the various factors which are necessary for useful transmission and reception of a pictures. Now see the remote control transmitter. A simplified diagram of remote transmitter is as shown in figure. It consists of 24 commands to carry out all listed functions. Thus, 24 different pulse patterns are generated, and when a button is pushed, infrared waves are modulated via 48 kHz carrier by one of 24 pulse pattern. The pulse output on depression of any key button activates special individual circuitry in the recorder. It produces a distinctive pulse train which modulates the crystal control 48 kHz carriers. After the amplification, it is fed to LED driver which passes proportionate current pulses through two LEDs, that is D1 and D2. Emission of radiation in infrared region causes transmission of modulated wave toward remote control receiver when the unit is aimed at it. In addition, the modulated 48 kHz output from transistor Q1 is rectified by diode D4 and light function indicator LED, that is D3, located on right hand top of transmitter panel. This LED shows that function button has been depressed. If it fails to light, it indicates that battery needs to be replaced. तर आपण पाहूया तर रिमोट कंट्रोल त्यानंतर त्याच्यानंतर आहे रिमोट कंट्रोल रिसिव्हर. तर रिमोट कंट्रोल रिसिव्हर्समध्ये a schematic diagram of remote control receiver is shown in figure. तर pulse modulated infrared signals from a remote infrared transmitter are picked up by remote infrared sensor D1. The picked up AC signal feeds to Q1 as a FET amplifier for some amplification. It is then coupled to remote processor and pulse shaper via emitter follower transistor Q1. The modulated signal are further amplified and then demodulated. The recovered pulse train then feeds into pulse shaper, which is designed to generate pulse pattern. Each pattern is different and correspond to the function button pressed on remote control unit. The shaped individual pattern is then DC coupled to the microcomputer. The microcomputer on receive the different input produces appropriate output to perform the ordered functions. To turn power on, the power button is pressed. For this microcomputer output at a receiver is positive voltage at one of its pins. This voltage is fed through the 33K resistor to base of transistor Q3, which on conduction lights the lamp of the optical computer. When the lamp lights, its radiation reduces resistance associated LDR, light dependent resistor. This low resistance of LDR enables 220 volt AC to the gate of track. Track conduct on both the positive and negative half cycle of AC line. Voltage which acts as a power switch to turn receiver up. Power switch on remote control is pressed again. This result is pulse output that finally removes the positive voltage at the base of transistor Q3. The lamp in the optic coupler goes off and LDR acquire high resistance. Track then causes to conduct and AC supply to receiver is cut off. Another depression of power button which again switch on supply to the receiver. The sequence can be repeated on successive depression. Now, today we stop here. तर आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये एवढेच पाहिलं आपण. तर पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये घेऊया व्हिडिओ सिग्नल, ॲस्पेक्ट रेशो वगैरे सगळं. तर थँक्यू मित्रांनो, धन्यवाद.